Good morning, class 11th Commerce, subject Economics, chapter number 2, Central Problems of an Economy, lecture number 3. Till now, we have discussed economic problems and the solution of economic problems. So, before starting the new topic of this chapter, let me give you an information that CBSE has reduced your syllabus. There are some topics which are deleted from current syllabus of CBSE 2020. So here is the list of topics which are deleted from your course. So from statistics, measure of dispersion, and the topics range, quartile deviation. So mark these topics in your statistics books. Okay, so these are the topics from statistics. And from microeconomics, concept of production possibility frontier. See, here units are mentioned wrong. Fine, don't go for that. Just look at the topics. So concept of PPC, production possibility frontier, production possibility curve. This we are currently doing in our chapter number 2. So we'll not discuss this topic because it is deleted from your syllabus. So cross that topic or write deleted. Then further producers equilibrium and its condition in terms of MR, MC, and forms of market, monopoly, monopolistic, their meaning and features. So these topics are no more the part of your syllabus and we shall not discuss them. But some of the concept related to these topics we need to discuss, because for the clear understanding of the chapter we need to understand these topics, the topics related to these concepts. Okay, so today we were supposed to discuss production possibility curve or production possibility frontier, but these guidelines were declared yesterday only. So we'll not discuss today about production possibility frontier. We shall move to the marginal cost or the concept of opportunity cost. Fine. So either take the screenshot of this slide or just pause it here only and just mark in your book the deleted topic so that it will be easy for you which topics are to be done and which topics are not to be done. Okay, so let's move to our next topic, that is concept of a marginal cost. So let's begin with the opportunity cost. See, making a choice, any choice, always has some cost. So by spending a certain amount on item A, we are giving up the opportunity to have item B. For example, by going to college to take out loans to pay for college, you are forsaking the opportunity to work and earn money. Every time you make an economic choice, there is an opportunity cost to you in terms of what you had to give up or a trade-off. Another example, see, if value of output in use 1 is rupees 1000, value of output in use 2 is 2000. Now, common sense should dictate us that resources will be employed in use 2 because use 2 is offering higher value of output. So, in this situation, opportunity cost will be loss of output of rupees 1000 when resources are employed not in use 1 but in use 2. In other words, opportunity cost refers to the value of a factor in its best alternative use. And in this example, 1000 is the opportunity cost. So, whenever you are doing something, you have two options in front of you. You will choose the one option which you think that is better than the another So the one which you have not chosen, the one which you have sacrificed is your opportunity cost. So you need to note that a factor may have more than two uses. In such a situation, opportunity cost is to be taken as value of the factor in its best use only. Now suppose you have two options, either to study whole night or to do party all night, and you have chosen the party wala option. What is your opportunity cost? The studies, marks, grades are your opportunity cost. You have sacrificed that opportunity cost to get the benefit of enjoyment, to get party, and to spend the quality time. So have you understood the concept of opportunity cost? Okay, another example. See, you could work 1 hour and you will get rupees 20, but you have chosen 1 hour for partying. Now you want to do party and all. Fine. So what is your opportunity cost? Opportunity cost of 1 hour partying, 30 rupees. Because see, you would have earned 20 there by working. So ये तो 20 हुआ opportunity cost, but party करने में भी तो खर्चा हुआ ना. 30 rupees तो वो भी खर्चा हुआ. So 10 rupees तो पार्टी करने में भी खर्चा हुआ. तो टोटल आपने कितना पैसा गवा दिया? 30 rupees. पार्टी करने पे 10 रुपये तो लगे ही लगे, और जो 20 रुपये आप कमा लेते वो भी आपके हाथ से गए. तो योर अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट इज 30 rupees. Fine. So in your book, concept of opportunity cost is explained with the help of PPC curve. So no need to do that. Just you need to understand the concept of opportunity cost, what opportunity cost is, and the examples of opportunity cost. How to indicate the opportunity cost, how to give the examples. So this is only the concept of opportunity cost. No need to go in detail with the PPC curve and all. Fine. Okay. So opportunity cost is the best sacrificed cost. Opportunity cost, the value of factor in its next best use, next best alternative use. This is the concept of opportunity cost. Now look at the definition once again. It is the return from the second best use of the firm's resources which the firm foregoes in order to avail the return from the best use of the resources. For example, if a firm owns a land, there is no cost of using the land, that is rent in the firm's account, but the firm has an opportunity cost of using the land which is equal to the rent foregone by not letting the land out on rent. But इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? सी, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि देखो, सपोज खुद की ज़मीन में, ठीक है, खुद की ही ज़मीन पर फैक्ट्री बना ली, लेकिन फैक्ट्री बनाने की जगह पर अगर मैं उस ज़मीन को रेंट पर दे देती तो मुझे रेंट मिलता. ठीक है, तो उस ज़मीन पर फैक्ट्री बनाने की अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट हुई वो रेंट जो हम कमा सकते थे अगर हम अपनी फैक्ट्री वहाँ पर ना लगाते तो. ठीक है, सो हेयर दी रेंट गिवन, रेंट फॉरगोन फॉर दैट लैंड is the opportunity cost of that land. Fine. Now suppose अब हमारा एक घर है, ठीक है, एक एक्स्ट्रा, वी हैव अ एक्स्ट्रा हाउस. फाइन. and we have given that extra house to our friends, okay, that you people live there, okay, it's fine, and our friends not paying any kind of rent and all. So what is the opportunity cost of giving that house to the friends? The rent which we could get if we would have offered that particular land to some other people. Fine. So every choice, every economic choice has some opportunity cost attached to it. opportunity cost is equal to return on the best option not chosen minus return on the option chosen. Going to work, skipping work. You have chosen going to work. You are not skipping the work. Fine. So your best use, best cost is utilized in going to work wala option. Are you clear with the concept of opportunity cost? Okay. So for today, your homework is you will just explain opportunity cost in your own words, and you will quote the numerical example of this concept of opportunity cost. This is the homework for today. Thank you.